Creating a sign brochure has never been easier. With Canva's user-friendly interface and countless templates, you can design a professional-looking brochure in just minutes. Whether you are promoting an event, showcasing a business, or sharing information, Canva offers the tools you need to make your ideas stand out. Start crafting your eye-catching brochure today and watch your audience take notice. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to make a brochure in Canva. So first of all, what you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. So this is the home page. So Canva is an online graphic design platform that allows users to create a wide range of visual content, including brochures with its intuitive drag and drop interface, pre-designed templates, and extensive library of images and fonts. Canva makes it easy for anyone, regardless of design experience, to produce professional-looking brochures tailored to their specific needs. So all you have to do is just get started and sign up to find your account. Here we have it. You click over home and you'll find this home page as you can see. So here we have the Canva template. So you can choose the template that you want. So you have just to search for brochures like that. Once you do that, you'll find this page as you can see, and we have your various templates. For example, you can select this one or this one or this one, so we can select the one you want. Also here we have filters, so you choose the category that you want. For example, here we have business, and then we have social media, education, video, then we have marketing, print products, and we have cards and invitations, and here we have other options, which is format, style, then we have language, theme, feature, grade, subject, topic, and we have the price. For example, you choose here the free one, and also for example here we have, so let's search for example creating brochures. So here we have posters, so let's search for brochures. Websites, here we have prototype, whiteboard, docs, so let's search for brochures. Have brochures. Here we have brochures. You can just select it like that, and then you click over apply, and just choose also the free one, and you click over apply, and you'll find only the template that has these two things, price and brochures. So let's choose this one for example, and you have just to click over customize like that, and you'll find other page, which is this one. So this is the page when you will just design it. We have also the elements. If you add a text, print, upload, and draw. Also here we have, if you want to zoom in and zoom out like that, and here we have other view, like if you want this one thumbnail view, so this is how it looks, and you select the one you want. For example, say this one, and here we have a grid view like that, and we have here present full screen. Here we have it how it looks, and we have a profile. So I will let it hold these things and I will modify it as you can see. Then we have if you want to ask Canva for something, so you have just to click over here and you chat with Canva. So let's come back, and here we have it. So right now we have just to go to design and you choose for example here brochure, and you will find here various brochures. For example, if you want to add a page and you put this brochure here. Then here we have elements, so this one is very important. If you want to add something, the logo of phone number, email address, or for example location, and other things. You have also stickers, photos, videos, and here we have, if you want to add a text, so I'll show you how. So for example, I will delete this one. I don't like it. I will just click over here and I will go to the text and I will add a heading like that, and I will put it here, and then I will write for example something. So I will just put it like that, We have this size, you can just modify it size, so like that. Then you write whatever you want. Here we have it. So for example, firstly we choose the color. For example, I will choose the color of the right, and I will choose, for example, black, or you can choose this one. So I will choose black, this black, and I will write, for example, something like that, for example. And then about modification, you have just to select if it's bold or nope, or is it italic, if you want italic also. So you have just to select it, and you click over here, you select it. So for example, I will select this one and I will select italic. Then here we have alignment, lists, spacing also. So I will add space here, line spacing, like that is better. Then here we have this one, and I will just write, for example, like that. So as you can see, then we have other things like transparency, effects, and other options, like we have here underline, and we have here structure and other things. Then we have also, if you want to add a brand, like logos, colors, fonts, print voice, photos, and other things. Then we have uploads, if you want to upload videos, audio, and other things. Then we have here draw, so you can just select the one you want here and to draw like that, as you can see. So if you don't like that, you have just to click over window, or you can choose the option of Control Z, as you can see. And this is how it looks firstly. About uploads, you can also record yourself. I will show you how you can do that. So you can just click over record like that, and you get start 3, 2, 1, and you get started recording. So here we have it, as you can see. Then you will click over done, and you can just click over save and exit, or you can also exit studio if you want. But firstly I will click over delete because I don't like it, and I will just make it another one for another time. Then I will click for exit studio, and here we have it, how it looks. So right now you have just to share this like that, and you have just to add people if you want. So you can just get over public view also if you want to paste it on Google like that, and you click over create link with watermarks. Here we have create public, and this design is shared publicly. Anyone with the link can access a view only version of the design, as you can see. So this is it, as you can see. So you have just right now to download it and share it with your friends, or you have other options here: present, deploy link, present and record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website, as you can see. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys, and see you again in the next video.